Do you receiving your phone number is banned from using WhatsApp? Contact support for help. Or, you need the official WhatsApp to use this account. This account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam problem. All these messages means that your phone number get banned from using WhatsApp. So, how to unban WhatsApp number? In this video I will show you the only way to recover you banned WhatsApp number and restore your WhatsApp account again. So, let us start. Open any web browser on your phone. Now search for WhatsApp app support. Go to the official WhatsApp website. Click on the Contact Us option. Here, you need to provide your phone, your email address, select your phone type, describe the problem you are facing in details. You could write the following message. Hi team, my WhatsApp number has been banned without any reason. Please unban it, thank you. From bottom tap on next step. And send question. Now you just wait a response from the WhatsApp support team. So, this is how to unban your WhatsApp number. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the subscribe button and join us.